Hi guys, it's Ruthie with the Popo Backyard Farm. I'm here at my watering station in my bathroom, and this is baby Bunny Bellies Wandering Jew. And Wandering Jew is always one of my favorite plants. I think the technical name is Transcendentia, whatever. I can't say it right. But I love the Wandering Jew. Wandering Jew is like the resilience, just like the beautiful Jewish people, their resilience, their you know, strong nature, and it just keeps going and going. Now this was a piece of my Wandering Jew, and I put him in the sun, and he just really took off. So I was really happy about that because I put some of this baby bunny bellies in different spots, and I was surprised that over the winter it didn't like certain spots, but when I put it in the window in the sun, it just was like so happy and just kept growing and growing. Now over the summer, this was like one of my most prolific plants that just would not give up. So I thought it would do great in the house, but I live in upstate New York, and it didn't like all the places I put it. I put it up on top of my shelf in the kitchen. I put it in different places, but the place that loved me the most was in the window, and it's in the watering station now. So he's probably going to go find a place near the window to hang out because he just loves it there. But isn't it pretty? So pretty. I haven't seen a lot of these out there, but I really like it, and I just wanted to share this one with you. Okay, guys, let me know what your favorite plants are, and let's talk about care before I let you go. I water my plants like every 2 weeks, and you're going to hear me say this a lot about plants. You have to find the place that it likes the best in your house and the watering schedule, because I can give you all kinds of advice, but I live in the Northeast. You might live in the South. I have a furnace heater. You might have a wood stove. So you're going to have to experiment with your plants. There's some general rules, but sometimes the general rules aren't always what works either. And I have found that sometimes I've heard somebody say something about a plant and it was completely opposite for me. So I can only tell you my experience, but I think that the advice I give on plants are going to really help you because just like that tip I just told you. So you want to keep staying tuned in when I talk about plants because I'm really into it. So, and plus I have plant buddies that I talk to. I mean, of course, watch all the plant videos. That would be a smart thing to do so you learn all that you can. But I hope this helps you to learn about the plants, learn as much as you can so you can give good care to them. And this plant too is if you break off a piece and you put it in a glass of water, take off the two bottom leaves, you'll get more. And you can give one to a friend, or you can stick it back in the pot and make yours bushier. And it's just a cool plant. So I'm hoping to get a lot of this because this is a plant that I don't see around a lot, and my plant buddies and I don't sell anything on the internet. I don't ship plants or do any of that. I just enjoy YouTube as a hobby. It's one of my many hobbies. So um, I'm sharing that to say if you like this plant and you want to start clipping off your own or any other plants that you find, people sell plants on Etsy, Instagram, and all that stuff. I'd probably buy from people if I can, once the weather gets better, if it's something I don't have. But I know I'm rambling, but I just wanted to let you know that this plant here is really prolific. So if you find a baby belly bunnies, nab one up because it's a cool plant. Okay, guys, remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.